All right, the weather's breaking. Who doesn't want a convertible? What you're staring at here, folks, is a majestic 1995 right-hand drive STi. That's right, right-hand drive. You're not going to find another one of these things that's as cool as this one. I came in one morning kind of like a little hungover from the night before, and I was feeling a little squirrely, so I peeled off all the rhino liner that I had on it, cut the roof off, decided I want to make a ute out of it. I was going to do a full exoskeleton, roll cages on the outside. You should be able to take this thing anywhere. That was my goal. Have the rear hatch be detachable, you know, on and off like a Jeep. And then it just kind of went to the wayside, and it's been sitting ever since. And I'm not really interested in finishing it, and I'm not really interested in housing it. The thing runs and drives. It's got a new clutch and flywheel. I think it's an ACT and with a lightweight flywheel, stage 2 clutch. It's got a small lift kit in it with the Forester suspension, along with a Subtle Solutions 1-inch spacer on top. It does have newer axles in the front. It's got 17-inch Outback wheels. Pretty much, that's probably about it. I mean, you know, it's a project, but it would be cool to have just farm truck or something like that. You know, whatever you want to use it for, that's up to you. I don't really care. But the thing runs and drives. We molded the Super Scoop in many years ago. It's got like 137,000 kilometers on it, which is 70-something thousand miles, so it's got hardly any miles on it. I know right now the only thing that does not work for some reason, I don't really feel like fooling with it, the window switch is not operational, but otherwise, I mean, she starts right up and runs. She's got some old fuel in it, and it's, you know, it just needs some TLC. I got a clean title in hand, and I'm just looking for $1,000. So come on by, pick this bad boy up, and that way I don't have to lug this thing around with me. I want it gone. It could be yours. $1,000.